Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law type issues that relate to family life. Here in Michigan particularly, and we're continuing our video series designed to educate our viewing audience about family issues. Today we're going to talk about some accidents. Please subscribe to our channel. This time of year we always give some information to our viewing audience, clients and non-clients alike, about accidents that occur that are seasonal or summertime related. Today we want to talk about boating accidents. You wouldn't be able to tell by looking out the window today, but in general, this is the time when the weather gets nicer. People start going out on the lake. They go to lake houses, they go to summer camp, they go to places, they go to their boats. And what do? They enjoy summer fun on the high seas. The problem is that sometimes people aren't attentive on their boats. They're reckless on their boats. They are overindulging in the use of alcohol, all the while on their boats and sometimes driving their boats and operating their boats, and accidents can occur. I want to tell you that to some degree, an accident in a boat is almost like an accident in a car. In other words, the operator of a boat has duties, much like the driver of a motor vehicle. You have a duty of due care. You got to do things carefully. You got to watch where you're going. You got to not hit another boat. You got to not drive at an unsafe speed. You got to watch your wake so you don't cause damage to other boats or people on the dock. You have certain responsibilities. And if someone is injured in an accident arising out of a maritime kind of thing, arising out of somebody's negligence, there are legal rights that attach. If you've been injured in such an accident, you got rights. And unfortunately, a lot of times, sometimes in car accidents, a fender bender, there may be an ache and a pain, but the injuries aren't always dramatic. In boating accidents, a lot of them are very dramatic. People get knocked off the boat, sometimes people drown, sometimes there's other things that go on, so you can really have very serious injuries. In a situation like that, should that happen, what you need to, number one, you got to seek medical attention first. No matter what somebody may tell you, no matter what advertisement you see on TV, here's a good piece of advice. Take care of your medical needs first. In most cases, the Michigan legislature has given a statute of limitations long enough to allow you to take care of your medical needs first and then worry about your legal needs. So number one, take care of your medical needs first. And number two, then look to understanding what your rights are. And how are you going to know what your rights are? Well, you gotta call your lawyer. You gotta tell them, look, I had this thing going on. I was injured. I don't know. The guy was operating a boat. He was too fast. I got thrown this and that. This is what happened to me. What are my rights? Do I have a case? Do I have the ability to file a claim because now my arm is broken and I can't work for 3 weeks? What do I do? So it's very important that you reach out to your lawyer so he can explain to you your rights. And the lawyer may tell you, is there a report of the injury? And typically the Coast Guard or people involved will make a report on an event that occurs in the water, even at the dock. There will typically be a report, and the lawyer will take the report, will follow up on your medical records, will reach out to the other side, and much like a car, where there's auto insurance to cover an accidental loss, there may well be boating insurance to cover that kind of loss. So your lawyer will deal with that issue. That's a detail. The most important thing, though, is you should take care of your medical needs and then reach out to your lawyer to investigate your rights. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you.